Yo, peace and much love. This is Caddy1 with GodBlessHipHop.com. I had a thought today, and I think it's a good one. And I wanted to address all Christian lawyers out there, any lawyer actually who believes in the mark of the beast, and also those people who believe the RFID chips are coming, and they're coming soon. Well, what I propose for Christians or believers, anybody who reads the Bible and has a religious belief that circulates around the Bible, should now start making some type of shield, a clause, a law that prevents people from forcing a religious group who, by the way, it's written in their books that they are to receive a mark on their hand or their forehead. That we, by our own religious rights, and I don't like using the word religious, but you know what? That's a whole other story. Through our religious rights, we refuse to get any type of tattoos, computer chips, electronic devices implanted into our skins, into our foreheads, into our hands, anywhere. We are opted out. We are opted out due to our religious beliefs, because in our book it says anyone who receives a mark on their hand or their forehead cannot enter heaven. So that's some serious stuff to put on people. Other people can take it. Go ahead. If you don't believe in it, I feel sorry for you, you know what I mean? But for the people who do know, I think this is the time right now, before it even happens. I think it'll blow the man's mind. I mean, I don't even know what this video is going to do to people, but let's get one step ahead of them, shall we? Can we do that? I know there's a Christian lawyer out there who knows what I'm talking about, who can think of a way to draw up a bill or a law or some way to have a clause where we are protected as believers through our belief in the Bible and what the Bible says. There's got to be something. Leave a comment. I mean, I don't know how to do it. I'm not good at paperwork, or I would set forth and try to do all this myself. But I do believe there's somebody out there who knows the law, who knows what they can do in order to set people free from this in the future. This is going to be awesome. This is for God's people. And this is a revelation I had on the way over here. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning right now, and I'm like talking on my phone, but God bless you anyway for watching. God bless you for trying to understand what I'm talking about. And if you need further insight on what I mean, you could just Google the mark of the beast. You can Google the RFID chips, the implants, the microchips that will store data, and everybody will just carry them around instead of credit cards or IDs or whatever. The cops will just scan you. They got your whole medical history, social history, everything. Anything electronic will be tied to you. You can't buy or sell without it, and this is exactly what the Bible says. So please make some type of protection for us, if you care, you know what I mean. And don't make it about money. You don't need to worry about that. You'll get blessed. God will bless you abundantly. Just do it for the sake of humanity. Do it for the sake of your fellow believers and the future believers, you know what I mean? Because this is for the future. This isn't for us now. They're talking about it now. So since they're talking about it now, we should implicate a clause. We should implicate some protection, even if it's in the form of a paper. That's the way the world works. If you don't have that paper, you don't have that receipt from college, you ain't getting that job. You don't have the right paperwork, you ain't getting, you know what I mean, one step past the judge. So yeah, man, let's free our people now. You know, let's end the craziness before it even starts, because the devil can't touch us anyway. You know what I mean? And this is just another way for us to get around the devil's tricks and the tactics. So I pray that anybody who hears this with an open heart, open mind, please use your resources. Pray about it. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe maybe I'm just crazy. I could be. Who knows? You know what I mean? But all I know is it's written in the Bible There's been a lot of rumors about it lately, and something needs to be done about it. Caddy One, God bless hip hop. Peace.